Mari Extension Pack 6 adds a new image annotation feature that allows you to add images and stickers to your Nodegraph to visually document what part of your Nodegraph performs which function. You have many different options here, from taking a screenshot of your viewport, to auto-creating thumbnails for selected nodes, loading in your own images, or using pre-authored stickers and icons that come with Extension Pack. All of the new annotation features are located inside the Nodegraph right mouse click context menu under the Annotation submenu. Here we can, for example, capture our viewport as an image, crop it, then adjust the desired size of the annotation in the node properties. If you run an image annotation command with another annotation selected, you will be prompted if to replace the current annotation's image or create a brand new node. The image node from file option allows you to do the same, but using any external file from disk. All image nodes are stored within your project, so even if you delete the file on disk, the item within your Mari project will not be affected. Using the node thumbnail from view option will create a handy thumbnail next to each select node. The thumbnails have a permanent link to the original node they were created from, meaning that if I change the node output and rerun the thumbnail generation, the original image annotation will be updated with the new image. Extension Pack also ships with a number of vector graphics that can help you to document your graph. If we choose the image node from library option, we get this dialog where we can choose from pre-authored stickers or use one of the default Mari icons. To add a sticker to my Nodegraph, drag it into the graph, use the button down here, or simply double click on an icon. As on the other annotation features, selecting an existing one will prompt if to override the current selection or create a new one. Within the library, you can colorize your icons. For example, if I select this neutral fabric, choose a color here, and leave my blend mode on multiply, I end up with a green fabric icon. The default size we can adjust down here, but this can of course be changed as on any other image node by going to the node properties and adjusting the scale factor. The library dialog also allows you to add your own icons and stickers. Click on this little plus icon, give a name to the new tab, and location on disk where the image files are located. You can refresh a tab, for example if you added new icons, by pressing the refresh button down here. To rename the tab, press this button, and to delete it, press the X button up here. If you want to add certain folders by default as new tabs to the dialog, you can use the environment variable Mari EP icon shelf folder to do so. So if you have, for example, a team of artists, and you want a shared library of icons for them, this would be the way to do it. Finally, we can also create filter tabs by setting a filter here and clicking on the funnel to create a new filter tab. Filtering is performed on file names of the icons and optional tags. Tags can be created by placing a separate text file inside the folder with your icons. If you want to learn more about how to do this, please head to the online help under the Tools section, Nodegraph, and inside the Image Annotation topic, there's a section on aliases and custom thumbnails that describe the process. While on the subject of custom thumbnails, if you save a file with the same original sticker name but with .thumb appended to the file name, then this file will be used as your preview in the library dialog. Extension Pack's own stickers use this system, for example, to always have fully square thumbnails. Now that we covered all the options of the library, the only item to mention still is the remove all image nodes function. As the name implies, this will delete all image nodes from your current graph. The original images associated to them will also be removed from your project data cache as soon as you save your project.